Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Joshua making a video of my DVD PlayStation 2 remote control. I just got this one today for like $6 at All War Games. And this one is the... Hold on, you can't see it because it's low. I'll read it out to you guys. It's called ON1153. So this is the old remote. And it came with the batteries, as you guys could tell. Came with the great value Walmart ones I found. So, let's see if this will work. Because I'm on my memory card here. Not on the browser, but I can move this. So if I point it here, and then I can do this. You can press X, but whenever I can't press the enter button. So I have another remote right here. This one is connected to the other PlayStation 2 I have in the closet right now, but that one doesn't work for DVDs and compact discs. So I can use this one and it'll work on this one still, the exact same one. So they're both connected, so I have to fiddle around. So I can press the X button, it will pop up all my games. Left, you can go left, right, down, and up. But if you press the open button, it won't work. So something's wrong. Because I think on my other console I have the settings on there, and it came with the remote settings. But you see I can press X on it. But, so now, I press the X button. I can't press the enter button, but I think it'll work when I put on a DVD movie, which I'm going to show you right now. So, just hold on a sec. I gotta... So I'm going to put one of my Jurassic Park discs in, see what one will work. So I got so many different ones here. Let's put in the first one. Just hold on, I just gotta get that. Just like that. Okay. Now take this very soft, like that. Put this on the PlayStation 2 and close the tray and then press the reset button. You can tell it works. Apparently it does work on here, on the movie, but I can't eject, so, well, maybe let's see now if it'll work. See, I can't eject, so I can press the enter button, which works. So I don't know what's going on, but it's not, I don't have the remote control my settings, so that's the problem. Let's see if I can do some. See if I can press pause, which you can't do right now. If I can go to the menu. Oh, first I guess skip. Press next. 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 See, I could pause, I could play, I could stop, then I could press play. So I can do this. And yeah, so yeah, that's the end of my PS2 DVD remote. I'm going to try to look for, if you have any comments, or please subscribe to my channel as Joshua Still Alive. The very top one is my profile. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.